Welcome back to the North Gate. Got a bit of stuff to do this time. So, we got a delivery for us. So yeah, there's a lock there. He's been here several times now. And there he goes up. They just keep calling him back. But they don't let us know that he's coming up. And there he goes out. Very efficient. Up, drop off, get out. Okay, there's the siders in their other vehicle. And there they go out. And they're back with more stuff. It seems that they parked a car down at the bottom somewhere. And we believe we know who called it in and got it towed one of these days. So they didn't show up the next day. That's the electrician coming in. So they had to go around and find where their car got towed to. I'm not sure about that one. Oh, yes, I am. They went on, got lunch, and moved their car up. That's the one I believe they got towed. And they're moving it inside our gates so it doesn't get towed again. And here's a different contractor. And that's another delivery. Not as much stuff. There goes that contractor. And there goes the electrician. And there goes the siders with their car. And their metal brake on top. And the siders are back in a different vehicle again. And there's that other contractor back. He's doing stuff at the first construction site, not ours. And he goes out. And there goes the siders with a lot more of their stuff. And a fox going up the side of the mountain there. And the siders are back. Yeah, that's another vehicle. And that contractor's back. And you got me who that is. Something probably to do with the power company and the chopping trees down, maybe? I don't know. And there they go out. Yep. Pretty sure that's power company. And there goes the contractor out. There's the siders. And the fox going up the road. Okay. These ladies are with the Department of Agriculture in regards to these spongy moths. Up to count mass of eggs. That's at 8:57 a.m. Well, they don't get through the gate that quick. Gotta find the right lockbox. So 9:01 through the gate. I don't know how many they counted or what's going on, but they were up and counting, and 11:39 they're leaving. Two and a half hours? Doesn't seem like they could count much at all in 2.5 hours through all that road. Okay, off to the south middle gate we go. Let's see who's coming in and out of this one. Yeah, watch yourselves. Yeah, that is one big excavator. We got road work going on, guys. And here's proof. Looks like I need to adjust that camera a little bit. I think I pointed it down just a little bit more when I got this card. You can see we're taking out trees next to the road. He's removing limbs, overflowing the road too. So if you had any favorite trees along the road, they're probably not there anymore. They are clearing up on the banks so we don't get that tunnel effect. There goes one of the work trucks. And there comes the work truck back. And it goes out again. And back again. You're just going back and forth. And here it comes back. Oh yeah, put both feet up, right on those pedals. Here comes that work truck back. Okay, I believe this is Hunt Club. Yes, it is deer season. We got bow season and more Hunt Club. Bow season through the end of December. Rifle season, I believe, starts the week of Thanksgiving. Doesn't look like they're hunting. They're just out for a ride. Okay. Somebody else going out. I think we've seen this van before. And then that work truck. And looky there. We got a bulldozer sitting alongside the road. Now if you notice that excavator there on the left hand side back there, that is for somebody else's property. And that bulldozer is a-working. Looks like that left track is a little loose to me. Crown in that road. Okay. Don't know who this is, but yeah, that gate is locked. And don't know who you're looking for either. And then we got some deer. It's deer season and there are deer. And that's all we got for you this time. Come back and see us later.